Hey Flux, it's me Rarufu and I'm with the Budgies. Budgies. This is Cloud and this is Sunny. So today, we're back on another video and we're gonna talk about daily routine of my Budgies. So before this video starts, please smack the subscribe button and please ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified when a new video is out. So please also leave a like on this video and let's start the video. Whee! We start the day by removing the towel that covers their cage. After that, we'll go out of our house. While outside the house, we will expose them to the sunlight for at least 5 minutes. When we go back to our home, I'll release them and start cleaning their cage. I also clean the accessories inside their cage like toys, perches, and other stuffs. For some time, I'll check them if they're doing good. Then, I'll go back to cleaning their things. I also clean their water containers as well as their food bowl. I clean their stuffs regularly like daily to avoid bacteria buildup. Brush, brush, brush! After cleaning, I'll replenish their food and water. Then, I will go back to my room and play with them. I spend a lot of time with them and bond with them so they'll trust me. I always check if they go somewhere dangerous or if they eat something bad. If I see them on such places, I'll quickly get them so that they'll avoid unnecessary accidents. I also give them freedom to go where they want as long as it's safe. They spend most of their time outside, in my bed, or somewhere else near my bed. It's lunchtime! I offer them some food in the plate, and Cloud approaches really quick as usual. Eat well, little birdies! After a while, Sunny comes by and eat. You're hungry too, right? They eat a lot to fill up their stomachs, and after a while, they'll play again in my room. They leave a lot of mess when they eat. They'll go back to playing until it's snack time. During snack time, I'll feed them with fruits or vegetables. Then, my brother and I will play with them until sunset. It's dinner time! When it's dinner, they usually eat on our hands as it is some bonding for them. After dinner, they'll automatically go back to their cage. Sometimes on top of it and most of the time inside. It's bedtime, I'll cover their cage with a towel and then they'll sleep. See you tomorrow, little birds!